You just came across a video called "You Control This Video with Your Keyboard.How." And you might be wondering, how does it work? Let's break it down. This video creates an illusion of interactivity by leveraging YouTube's built-in keyboard shortcuts and smart editing techniques. When viewers press number keys, 1 to 9, they jump to specific parts of the video. Pressing 3 moves to 30% of the video, while arrow keys allow skipping forward or backward by a few seconds. The creator carefully structures the video into multiple pre-recorded segments, ensuring smooth transitions that make it seem like the viewer has full control over the content. This concept isn't new. Interactive YouTube videos have existed for years. Between 2010 and 2015, creators used YouTube annotations to add clickable links inside videos, allowing viewers to choose different paths in choose-your-own-adventure style content. However, when YouTube removed annotations in 2017, content creators had to find alternative methods. They started relying on timestamps, video chapters, and keyboard shortcuts to recreate the interactive experience. Today, this technique has evolved, with some creators even incorporating AI-generated elements to enhance engagement. In the future, we might see fully dynamic videos where AI adapts content in real time based on viewer interactions. Imagine watching a video that responds instantly to your choices, creating a personalized viewing experience. What do you think? Should more creators experiment with this format? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.